LED strobing lights on. Oh, turbos are beautiful.
I can hear you. Are you right behind me? Oh.
Yep. Oh, brakes. Oh, I'm going fast. Oh, guardrail.
Oh. Well, I killed myself.
Oh, I win. Ow. And we're on Beamng Drive. All right. So let's start off-roading. So I got my beautiful silver truck. Probably saw it before in a different video, and I upgraded the front grille and bumper a little bit there. Beautiful. Marty's got his blue dually off-roader bumpered up blue thing truck. We're gonna try and make it down this hill. And I think we'll go left at the bottom. Yeah, you're just sliding. Oh man, just sliding.
Yeah, that was just fully sliding down the hill.
I
Oh, that
almost
rock
stopped.
is bigger than it looks.
Oh, I can back right up the hill. These meaty tires are amazing. You are completely stuck. Let me give you a small nudge. There
Perfect, thanks. Yeah.
Broke your ribs
Yep.
and neck, but that's alright. Here goes your tire.
Wow.
Go left. Well. There we go. All I did was completely smash in my front end. But it's your fault. Your truck did it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's just reset into the trucks. To the rocks.
I died.
Oh, if you could die, you probably would.
Fixed it. Yep.
Or mud. I love mud. Oh, I can't really see a thing. There we go. Alright. Try not to crash right away. Oh, mud. This truck actually handles really awesome in the mud and dirt. Not so great on the pavement, but that's to be expected. These type of tires and suspension. And whatever.
Yep. Mine is just bad everywhere. Sounds good though.
Need a more off-roader a more off-roading off-road vehicle.
Yeah. I think a van would be perfect.
Maybe. Might have to switch to that.
Yeah.
I got a
I think
van.
that was. Yeah, I think I did save that one actually. Oh, tree.
Oh, I hit one as soon as you said that. Gears. There we go. Alright. Kind of back up here. Shuffle my way up on the road. There we go. Oh, you're not doing too bad. Look like a clunker just clunking through the woods.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a drop off. Yeah, remember that. Holy crap.
Well, that was close. I think I just ran over a piece of your car.
Oh, well, it just fell off now for me. Oh, turn here. Holy crap, that one's abrupt. Abrupt. Oh, these are the turns that you love. Remember that one time?
I'm pretty sure this is even worse than my van for turning. So yeah,
that's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh no, that van was pretty long too, and underpowered and all, no traction. For those of you who don't know, and do know, a couple episodes back we were on this same map. I believe the screenshot, just for reference, is the one of the Jeep, the van, and the yellow car, off-roading cars, on this map, on kind of by a castle. Anyways, well, maybe it's not these turns. Somewhere on the map there's turns where Marty had real trouble, and it took him like 12 tries. It was beautiful. It was so funny.
9. It was definitely only 9.
Oh, okay, 9 tries. Plus, like, one or two off camera
Shh.
that I didn't catch it. Oh!
Aye.
Thought I'd have to back up and wait for you. Oh, my
Driving here.
tailgate's down. That's weird. Piece of junk latch. Yeah, this ain't bad. This is pretty good. Might have to do I'd have to do some sort of road drag race or something. Kind of a speed thing. Oh, that's a river. Last time I had my Jeep, I was not able to get through that. Oh, that looks cool.
I don't have a snorkel on this one.
You don't need it if you're quick, but you already lost all your speed.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the guy on the other side to get out of the way.
Oh, sorry. I'll back up. There you go. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. That truck's kind of
Yeah.
impressive. Not as impressive looking as mine, but impressive nonetheless. As I smash into a tree because of my careless driving. Actually, that kind of caught traction real quick. That was odd. Moving on.
Oh, I ran out of traction halfway up that little bit.
Total
Gotta run
opposite
up
of what happened to me. Can't really turn to the left so good. It's quite a view.
Did you put your wheel back on?
Yeah. No. Did I reset? No, I haven't reset. Maybe we'll do
That
that.
would do it.
Let me park right in the exact way. There you go.
Perfect.
Alright, if I can find a spot to pull over, I'll get you to go ahead. Yeah, come back right in here. Right in the nice greenery. There we go. Oh, camouflage. I didn't have these very bright LED strobing lights on. Oh, turbos are beautiful.
Yep.
Hurry it up. Oh, why'd you run into a tree for? Alright, why don't we move on to a drag racing deal. Or a road car deal.
Yeah, let's do that.
Moving on, we'll be doing a police chase. Oh boy. Alright, I made this custom police car. I don't know if I showed it off of YouTube yet, but it's beautiful. I love it. And it handles fantastically too. Clock face is way down the roadway. Holy, that didn't take long. Try not to crash. Try not to... Hey, just go right off the cliff. I'll do the
I
same.
knew there was a road in here somewhere.
Oh yeah, I have to catch him, right. Okay. Don't let me try and do that. Probably do something inside. Probably not.
Well, this car's actually quite nice. Whoa. I can hear you. Are you right behind me? Oh,
Yep. Oh, brakes.
that sounds good. Give me about 20 seconds. Just need to finish a
1,
message to
2,
somebody.
3, 4. Excuse me.
Ugh. I was leaning on my wheel.
Oh, sorry.
I heard you coming. Cool. Right. I am done now. Oh, my car is broken.
I could wonder why. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm facing the right way now.
Alright. We'll do one more police chase. And then that'll kind of be the end of the episode. Guardrail. Man. Oh, great. Friggin' cars. Why isn't it turning? Come on, I could run this fantastically just like 2 seconds ago. For you guys, it's been like 5 minutes for us. For us. Oh, I'm going fast. Oh, guardrail.
Oh. Well, I killed myself.
Oh, I win. Oh, ow! My wheel came off. Well, maybe I don't win. Hold on, let me crawl my way over. You're under arrest. No!
I just fixed my car very, very rapidly.
Fine then. Okay, one more. Put it in drive. Oh man, trick me with going that way. Turn. Oh.
Whoop.
Turn. Oh. No. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Turn.
I broke my car a bit.
No day.
I killed myself again.
Uh.
This car apparently has slick tires on it.
Yeah, mine do
Really
too.
work on the
Alright.
gravel.
Both of those are fails. So I'm gonna end it off
Yep.
here. Let me turn off that siren. There we go. And the engine.
The siren is really loud. I could hear it from all the way across the map.
Yeah, I love how realistic that is.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for joining us. I'm gonna thank Marty for joining me because that was super fun. The couple of minutes we played. And there
Yep.
you go. Appropriate ending.
That is how to play Beamng.
That is correct.